Today, I'm going to be talking about the founder of Spocket. But before I do, I want to ask you a question. What do you think is the most important factor in the success of a company? Is it the product? The team? The marketing? The answer is all of the above. But there's one thing that's even more important than all of those things: the founder. The founder is the person who has the vision for the company, the drive to make it happen, and the ability to inspire others to join them on the journey. And that's why I'm so excited to talk about the founder of Spocket today. Who is the founder of Spocket? The founder of Spocket is Akshay Jain. Akshay is a serial entrepreneur who has founded several successful companies, including Spocket. He's also a passionate advocate for entrepreneurship and has helped thousands of people start their own businesses. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products without having to carry any inventory. You simply choose the products you want to sell, and Spocket will ship them directly to your customers. Why did Akshay start Spocket? Akshay started Spocket because he wanted to make it easier for people to start their own businesses. He saw that there was a lot of potential in the dropshipping industry, but that there were also a lot of challenges. Spocket was designed to solve those challenges and make it easier for anyone to start a successful dropshipping business. How has Spocket been successful? Spocket has been successful because of its focus on providing its customers with the best possible experience. Spocket offers a wide variety of products, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. What are Akshay's plans for Spocket? Akshay has big plans for Spocket. He wants to continue to grow the company and make it even more successful. He also wants to continue to help entrepreneurs start their own businesses and achieve their dreams. I hope you enjoyed learning about the founder of Spocket. Akshay is a truly inspiring entrepreneur, and I'm confident that Spocket will continue to be successful for many years to come. Thank you for watching.